Hey there everyone, today we're going to be working in our Orange Math book and we're going to be working on division, and we are going to be looking at how we can use arrays to help us figure out the division answer. So just like addition and subtraction work together, multiplication, division also work together, and that's why all these lessons are kind of going side by side. So in multiplication, we talked about groups of, and to figure out division, we use the groups of strategy. In multiplication, we used arrays to help us figure it out, and now in division, we're going to be using arrays to help us solve the answer. So let's take a look at the problem I have over here behind me. So we're going to start by finding out how many we have all together. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So we have 15 all together. So that's the number I'm going to start with. And now I'm going to circle all of my rows. So a row, remember, goes this way. It goes horizontal. So I'm going to circle my row. One row of 5. 2 rows of 5. 3 rows of 5. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each row. So I'm going to put that down over here. And now how many groups do I have? I have 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups. So that's how I do it. I count how many I have all together, and then I write down my number. I count down how many are in each row. I write that down. And then once I've circled my rows, it'll tell me how many groups I have. So it works over here. So 15 divided by 5 equals 3. And you can see the flip side of that, because we know that 3 times 5 equals 15. Because they're fact families. I'll show you 1 or 2 more examples, then you're ready to get working in your book. There are 3 different kinds of problems that you're going to be seeing today in lesson 7 on your math. So let's look at the first one. This is like the one that we just did on the board. So let's do this one all together. Let's count how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to write that down. And then I'm going to count how many in each row. So remember, a row goes this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to circle my rows. There's 1 row, and there's a 2nd row. And how many rows do I have? I have 2 rows all together. Just circle that so you can see it a little bit better. 1 row, 2 rows. So 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Let's look at some of the other examples that you're going to see in your book. The other one looks like this. So it's asking you to show 15 split into 3 rows. So I'm going to have 3 rows. Rows go this way. 1, 2, 3. And then I have to keep going just until I get to 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I like to draw my 3 rows to start with. 1, 2, 3, because then I know I'm doing the right number. So 15 divided by 3, 1, 2, is 5. Let's do one more like that. So here's 18 into 2 rows. So that's going to be one of my rows, that's going to be the other row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 divided by 2 rows One row, two rows. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in each row. And on the last page, you're going to continue making your own arrays to make it match the problem. So let's do this first one over here together. 15 divided by 5. So that means I'm going to have 5 rows. And I'm going to, there's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Circle my rows. 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 3 in each row. If you have any questions at all, feel free to give me a call or send me a message on Teams and I'll get back to you to help you out. Talk to you soon.